Hi, my name is Dawn from Georgia, and yes, it's true. With the information I'm going to share with you, you'll be able to drastically reduce or possibly totally eliminate your monthly grocery expense. It's probably obvious I'm not a paid actress. I'm just a mom who's been able to find a way to be a real blessing to families all over the United States, and I'm excited about that in these uncertain economic times. If you're visiting this website, then myself or one of our 20,000 business associates probably shared a business card with you directing you to this site. If you're skeptical, I totally understand. I was too. So I invite you to get the facts for yourself, just like I did. Just submit your email information in the form on the website, and I'll immediately send you the free report, Groceries. I get mine free, and you can too. By submitting the form, you'll be provided with contact information and a phone number that you can call to get your questions answered. I look forward to talking with you soon. Request your free report right now.
Have you taken a good look at your grocery bill lately? Noticed anything peculiar about the cost of your favorite foods? That's right, food prices are on the rise. Recent data tells us that corn, soy, and commodity prices are at their highest level in the last 30 years. And economists are saying that this is just the beginning. Food prices are expected to keep climbing as economic stability continues to evade us. With the cost of gas on the rise, taxes on the rise, and the sluggish economy, the last thing we all want to deal with is rising prices in the grocery cart too. Speaking of grocery cart, do you even like having to go to the grocery store in the first place? Probably not. You know, one survey even claims that grocery shopping is at the top of the list of most disliked chores, second only to cleaning the toilet. Let's face it, none of us like having to make a grocery list, climb into the car, and fight traffic to and from the grocery store. Perhaps this is why the home grocery delivery service is expected to grow to about $85 billion per year in the next 10 years. More and more people are turning to online shopping and avoiding the grocery store altogether. How would you like to be able to avoid traffic, save time, and let the kids play video games while you shop for groceries from the comfort of your home? And better yet, how would you like to be able to get your groceries for free? MPB Today is the national marketing affiliate of Southeastern Delivery, one of America's fastest growing home grocers. While the nation's largest home grocer took 12 years to acquire 100,000 customers, MPB Today has acquired over 50,000 in just 6 months. How? By enlisting the help of average people like you and me to help get the word out. And in return, they reward those who help spread the word with free name brand groceries and cash. With MPB Today, you can either shop as a customer if you like, or you can become partners in growing their customer base. In essence, you can start your own home-based business. But unlike most home-based businesses where there's a large expense to get started or a mandatory monthly auto ship to qualify for checks, MPB is totally unique. With MPB Today, you can become active by simply making a one-time out-of-pocket $200 purchase or sell, plus an additional $10 a year if you want to have your very own professionally designed marketing website. Once you join MPB Today, you can share this great idea with others. To earn free groceries and products along with commissions, you simply introduce two people who also purchase or sell $200 worth of groceries like you did. And then you help them to find two people of their own. This fills your matrix. At that point, your matrix cycles and it triggers a payout to you. If you have not yet had your $200 in groceries or products shipped to you, you can do so at this time with free delivery. Or if you'd like, you can choose a $200 Walmart card instead. Either of these is paid for from your initial $200 purchase. You will receive $50 for each of the two people you introduced to MPB Today that made a $200 purchase or sell, and another $300 commission check on top of that. If you'd like to be placed in a new matrix and repeat this process, you can have MPB simply deduct $200 for your qualifying order to be eligible to earn this again. And because the two people who you introduced to MPB will follow you to your new matrix once they cycle, you never have to introduce more than two people to keep earning money, groceries, over and over again. Of course, you can introduce as many people as you would like and build a substantial income for yourself in the process. All it takes is a willingness to share a great idea with some friends. And let's not forget the tax advantages of having a home-based business. Not only can you earn money with MPB today, but since it's a home-based business, you can tap into many of the same tax benefits that large corporations and the ultra-rich enjoy. By having a home-based business, the average family can cut their tax liability by $2,000 to $10,000 per year. This is why internationally acclaimed educator and best-selling author of the Rich Dad, Poor Dad series states in his book, The Perfect Business of the 21st Century, everyone needs to have a home-based business. So, what are you waiting for? You're going to be spending money on groceries anyway. Why not invest in your future at the same time? You have nothing to lose and everything to gain. Isn't it time you decide now to take control of your financial future? Seldom will you find yourself at such a time and place as this, when universal need and unique opportunity come together as it has right now. Getting started with MPB today couldn't be any easier. Simply go online and order your favorite name brand foods and other quality products, or show your neighbor how. With MPB today, you will enjoy the benefits of having your own home-based business, helping yourself and others to save time and money by conveniently shopping for groceries from the comfort of your home. It's a simple choice: traffic and crowds, or your favorite chair and a cup of coffee. It's really easy to learn more about MPB today and this great opportunity. Just contact the person who told you about this video, or enter your information to get all the facts you need to make a well-informed and educated decision.
Did you hear the latest news in the office? Well, if you haven't, then I will tell you. Everyone is talking about getting free gas and groceries and making a lot of money. Yes, I did hear that from Frank and a few other people. They said I needed to look at some videos that explained it all, but they did not tell me where to view the videos. Well, good news, I do know where to go. They're on the computer and the website is www.forgazandgroceries.com. We should check it out to see what all the excitement is all about. That was really exciting. The videos did tell me everything. The name of the company is MPB Today, and all you have to do is buy $200 worth of groceries one time and $10 for a website. Yes, I saw the $2 and the $10 is only once a year for my own website to send my referrals to. That's just great. It said there is no auto ship or any other money to pay monthly. Yes, I would pay a $200 one-time groceries purchase, not to take $200 out of my pocket every week for gas and groceries. I saw the compensation plan too, and that was great. Yes, I saw that too. It said we can make $100 to $400, plus a $200 Walmart card over and over again just for helping other people sign up for the free groceries and gas program. Yes, and what's great about MPB Today is we are really helping people and families to eliminate their gas and grocery bill. It is going to make me feel very good to help people. Yes, me too. Everyone has to buy groceries and gas anyway, why not do it through MPB Today and Southeast Delivery Service? I agree, this is the way to go. I am going to go to my computer and sign up right now. Now I know why everyone is so excited in the office. We need to sign up before they do, so we can refer them to the program. Yes, and I am going to sign up too. I cannot wait to tell all my friends and neighbors about this free gas and groceries program. MPB Today. It was great talking to you. I am so glad you told me about this program. We should work together to really help a lot of people get free gas and groceries. We will talk later and view the videos again.